Hey guys, what's going on today? Your activity that you need to do today is we need to get you logged in to IXL. IXL is the web-based program that we use. You should have in your email, all right, an email from IXL that has your username and your password. Your username should be typically based on previous years is your student ID number followed by @Geneva. So you should see it in there. And then the password is normally like a 4-letter word like food and then a 2-digit number, 17, bear, 91, something along those particular lines. So make sure you've opened up your email and you do see that. And let's show you how this works. You're going to go ahead and get into Teams then. I obviously have a lot of math periods because I teach a lot of math classes here at the middle school, whereas I think you're just taking one. So I'm going to select, let's go with 4th period here. All right. Your channels, no matter what class period I have them set up, they should all be the exact same. So we're going to go to number 4, which is IXL. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into it there. So here we are. We're at that website here. Remember, if you want the full screen, you can go right there and click and go to website, get the full screen action. Here's where you're going to type in your username. Again, you got to look at your email to see what it says. For me, all right, this is my username. Again, you got to use what's been given to you. You're going to type in your password then. All right. And then you're going to click sign in. All right. And what you should end up getting here is you should get a welcome. All right. Welcome, Mr. Susevich. All right. This is an important thing because this way we know we are logged in. And when we do start doing work, we get credit for our work. If you want to go full screen here, yeah, you go and click on it and whoa, there we are. That's bigger. That's a little bit nicer here. All right. So what we want to make sure, all right, I'm going to come on back here, all right, is that we get that down arrow because we want to change our password now. So get on into profile and settings. And if you kind of go down to the middle here, you're going to see something that says change password. And we want you to change it because I don't want you to have 37 different passwords to remember. So your current password, type it in one more time. New password, repeat that new password, and then submit it. I would suggest whatever you're using on your device right now, that might be a good choice right here. This way you're kind of using the exact same thing. Regardless, all right, one of the features that we do want you to make use out of is make sure you're kind of doing the auto like remember you kind of thing. All right. See right here how it says remember. So next time you sign back in, click on that remember and then it is automatic. I use that, love it. All right. I'm not typing that stuff in. So that's one of the things we'll kind of get you to do. So you should be within IXL. We should see a variety of different grade levels that's here. So choose your grade level. All right. You might be choosing 6th grade. If you're in the accelerated class, then you'll be choosing 7th grade. So for right now, I'm going to click on 6th grade. And there's all the different topics. Now, don't worry, people, we're not doing all of them. We're not doing them all today. We won't do them all the entire year. All right. I do want you to get into it so I can show you what's behind the scenes. We're going to do something, one of the basic ones here. I'm going to click on A1. All right, A1. And it's asking me to sign in here. So look at that, it's automatic in there, and there I am. Okay, so let's see. Your first question: 82,437. In which place is the 8? Well, the 8 right there. So let me see here. That's the 1s, the 10s, the 100s, the 1000s, the 10,000s. I click it. I submit it. If I do it correct, it does give me some praise. Let's try another one. In 219, what digit is in the 1? It is in the 1s place. So the 1s place. Oh, the 1s place, that's the first. Oh, so that's the 9. So there we go. Submit. There we go. So what I want to draw your attention to is this right-hand side over here. You can see it's telling me how many questions I've answered. It does have a running clock that's here. And then we do have what's referred to as a SMART score. So your score goes up. It goes up a lot at the beginning, and then I'll slowly, it won't go up as fast. I know. All right. But the first time it went up 10 points. I think this time it only went up 9 points. So it is going to vary. we will have you typically get to a certain smart score. It'll vary, but the general rule there is 70. 70 is the magic number that we're going to be looking to. Now, for right now, hey, like I said, we're just trying this out here. But I do want to show you, all right, 30,720, what's in the thousands, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So let's say you click on the 2 that's there, and that's the wrong answer, and you then submit it. It's going to let you know it's wrong. It's going to tell you what the correct answer is. It's going to give you an explanation. Oh my goodness, the place value chart. Now, some of you might be going, yeah, hey, open up another window, people. Type into Google there, place value, get that information there, use it to help yourself out. Definitely make use of it. We can use our calculator with IXL if necessary. Not very necessary here, but in the future, if you find you do need it, hey, absolutely. So the goal of today is sign into log IXL. Get yourself, you can log in, get into A1, try some of the problems. I'm not saying you need to get to 70, but we want you to get some sort of number that's there. Ooh, one more thing before we go. If I go back to where 6th grade is at, all right, what you'll notice here, now because I'm a teacher, I know it doesn't keep track of my core, but what you should end up seeing is you'll end up seeing numbers that are here. Now, if you just click the back button, it's not going to do anything because you went back. You need a refresh. So if you click the refresh page, you should see a number that's right there with your score. It kind of lets you know where you were at. All stuff we'll end up talking about tomorrow, but we want to get you started on something. So there you go, people.